We are at Argyle Fine Art on Barrington Street in Halifax. I'm joined by owner Adriana Afford, and we are here to talk about what wonderful things are happening in this whimsical, wonderful gallery, which is one of my favorites.
Yay, I like that. Whimsical, wonderful.
It
exactly
is.
what we're going for.
What's happening right now?
Well, you know, summer is almost here, I think, so we've got all sorts of really neat exhibits and stuff, and we also have lots of workshops for people that really want really fun experiences. So that's what we're working towards throughout the summer and into the fall.
You've always got a new exhibit on the walls, but what I love about Argyle Fine Art is that you recognize art in all of its unique forms.
Yes, as you said, painting, but we also have jewelry making. So.
Jewelry making and neat little trinkets.
All sorts of stuff.
Stickers.
Ceramics, yes, stickers, small stuff, yeah.
Pop
exactly.
in, it's different all the time. All right, and we are going to meet somebody this week that's having a workshop here.
Yeah.
Do you find the workshop brings different kinds of people into the gallery?
It does actually. It's how we actually meet people and how they meet one another. We were just talking off camera about how there's, you know, like interesting spots now for people to connect a little bit more, and this is one of those.
Definitely. Yeah. I love art. Always there's something to talk about with art. So let's meet our special guest today. These are the creations of Ilona Inman of Mabel and Rose, and this is what people are going to make on Wednesday night here at the gallery.
Absolutely. So on Wednesday night, we're doing a bag charm and charm necklace workshop. So we can do a charm necklace like the one I'm wearing, or we're going to show you another style here in a moment, or one of the bag charms that you saw at the beginning of the shot.
Oh my gosh, lots of great choices. How it's made is really interesting, but I think the story of even how you came to have the business, Mabel and Rose, is fascinating. You used to be a helicopter pilot, and you trained people to fly helicopters.
Yes, absolutely, yes. So I first learned how to do wire wrap jewelry actually while I was waiting for some training while I was in the military, and I had a bit of time on my hands. And subsequently, I released from the military in 2019. I taught new helicopter pilots for a couple of years.
Wow.
And then we relocated to full-time to Halifax. And I decided I needed a creative outlet, so I decided to kind of combine all my skills.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Students are going to show up, they'll get what when they show up on
When they
Wednesday
show up, they're going to get some tools and some wire, and that's basically the nuts and bolts of putting it together, and then we gather the rest of the materials. And so we're going to show you today, just very quickly, kind of a style of necklace that has become very popular lately, with a chain with a number of beads. And you can see I've just started with 2 here.
Yeah, it's like a little charm necklace.
Exactly, yeah. Okay. Kind of like a charm bracelet, but in necklace form. And I'm going to get you to pick out another bead. I've prepared a couple in there.
Okay, obviously I want this heart bead.
Perfect. And so the students I'll teach them how to wire wrap that themselves.
Yep.
But for you today, we got it ready already, and I'm just going to do the last step here, which is to attach it with a little jump ring. And then we just pick a link, and we're going to attach it on.
It looks actually like it would be relaxing.
It's very relaxing, yeah. Close it right up. And then you've got another.
You're well on your way. You're well on your way. That is absolutely beautiful. So it's Wednesday night here at Argyle Fine Art. Oh my gosh.
You just contact Argyle Fine Art for tickets.
Okay, fantastic. And how else can people find your beautiful work?
Yeah, so I am on Instagram, Mabel_and_Rose, and that is probably the best place to find me.
Perfect. And you love doing workshops because of your natural instruction.
Yes.
I see that this would be way easier than flying a helicopter.
Yeah, it's quite a bit easier. I like to say that if I can teach that, I can also teach you how to do this.
Well, Ilona, I can say, and this is for you, Amanda, charmed, I'm sure. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
And we put the information about the workshop on our website, too. This is so fun.